Every single day, billions of pieces of information are born across the internet, in research labs, in financial markets, in cybersecurity feeds, in space telemetry, in newsrooms, and in the relentless current of updates that never seems to slow down. New AI models appear overnight. Markets lurch in seconds. Vulnerabilities are uncovered and patched. Satellites sweep silently overhead. Companies surge and collapse. Governments make decisions with global consequences. And breaking news races across the world, while most of us are still trying to catch up with what happened an hour ago. And the strange part is this. Even though we have more access to information than at any point in human history, it often feels harder than ever to actually understand what is happening. We are drowning in data, but starving for clarity. We jump from tab to tab, app to app, website to website, trying to stitch together fragments of truth on our own, hoping that somewhere inside the noise there is a pattern, a signal, a story worth seeing before everyone else does. That thought slowly turned into an obsession. What if one computer could do that thinking for us? Not just summarize a headline, not just answer a question, not just behave like another chatbot waiting for instructions, but one intelligent screen that could continuously watch the world, filter out the noise, understand what matters, connect seemingly unrelated events, and surface the bigger picture before we even know what to ask. A system that could recognize when a new AI breakthrough might shake the stock market, when a cybersecurity flaw could expose millions of users, when a satellite launch could matter to defense, communications, or climate monitoring, when a policy shift in one country could ripple across industries on the other side of the planet. A screen that does not merely display information, but interprets it, organizes it, and transforms it into understanding. That question became the spark for everything that followed, and what began as a simple idea quickly grew into one of the most ambitious projects I have ever attempted to build. This is the story of trying to create a machine that does not just show you the world, but helps you truly make sense of it.